Hello everyone and welcome to Zig Fast Forward, where we tell you all the important details without the nonsense. Honda has launched the new Hornet 2.0. Yes, it's an all-new motorcycle and will be the replacement for the CB Hornet 160R. Let us start directly with the engine. While we expected a 200cc motor, Honda has given the new bike a 184cc engine. It's a basic air-cooled power plant and there's nothing fancy like oil or liquid cooling. Power and torque figures are better than the older Hornet, but we were expecting a bit more. The styling of the new bike is more of an evolution of the Hornet's design, which isn't a bad thing. The edgy lines enhance the visual appeal of the motorcycle, while the gold finished upside down fork gives it a beefy stance. It's also the first made in India Honda to feature a gear position indicator and all LED lighting, including the indicators. The keyhole is positioned on the fuel tank and it also gets hazard lights. Honda has also emphasized that it gets an engine kill switch. Welcome to 2020 Honda. Moving on, the diamond frame has been carried forward from the older bike and so is the monoshock suspension. What is new is the inclusion of an upside down fork, which is the first for any air-cooled bike in its segment. Interestingly, Honda hasn't shared the saddle height, which indicates that it might be on the taller side. The bike features pedal disc brakes on either ends, but the ABS is only a single channel unit, which is disappointing for the price. And talking about price, the Honda Hornet 2.0 retails for 1.27 lakh rupees ex-showroom, which is a hefty premium of around 29,000 over the Hornet 160R. While it offers more power, better kit and features than its predecessor, it is priced uncomfortably close to the Apache RTR 200 and the Pulsar NS200. So what's your take on the new Honda bike? Do share your opinions in the comments and please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.